Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my page. And this being the holiday period, I decided to drop another tutorial video, but this time around I want to teach you guys how to make hair cream during this December period, so that when you enter next year, which is January, you can learn this skill and start up a very productive hair cream business, a type of hair cream that can make the hair grow. So if somebody have a stubborn hair growth, this hair cream is recommended for that kind of person. So if it's your first time coming to my page, please do well by subscribing. If you're watching this on Facebook, do well by following me. If you're watching on TikTok, please follow me. Then I will teach you guys how to make this cream from scratch to finish. You will learn how to make a perfect hair cream today. So watch and learn. With my beautiful recipes, you will learn a lot. Please share this video after watching. Please share my video, share it with your friends. Let them know how to produce this at the comfort of their home. So let's go into the production process. Over here are the chemicals I'm using for this beautiful hair cream production. So I'll be showing them one after the other with their measurements, so that you can also practice this at home. Over here is my petroleum jelly. Most people call it petroleum gel. I'm making use of 1 kg. So you just go to your chemical store where you purchase your chemical, let them give you petroleum gel 1 kg. If you want to produce exactly what I produce in this video, just follow my recipe. So the next chemical is going to be the paraffin oil, and I'm making use of just 1 liter. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use paraffin oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use avocado oil, you can use sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. It must not be paraffin oil. I hope you understand me. Any oil of your choice. You can even use palm oil. Just bleach it well. If you bleach it very well, remove that odor, you can use your palm oil in making your hair cream. Just use any oil that you feel will be rich for the hair, that will make the hair rich. Now this is my wax. I'm making use of 100 grams of wax. Most people know this as paraffin wax. Anyhow you call it, just know that it is wax. I'm making use of 100 grams. You can see the measurement there. Then this is the lanolin. I'm making use of 20 grams of lanolin. So you can see these recipes, they are perfect for hair growth. So I'm going to be showing them one after the other. Please, if you are watching, use your pen and your book and jot down those important points, so that you will know how to produce hair cream at the comfort of your home like a pro. Now once I'm done mixing all these chemicals together, I'm going to place it on a heat source. You can use your kerosene stove, you can use your gas cooker, you can use your electric stove, but just place it on heat so that everything is going to melt and incorporate together. So you will see when I have heated, I'm going to take this and go and heat it with my own, I'm using gas stove, because we didn't have an electrical power supply, so I couldn't use my electric stove. So I'm going to use gas stove to melt this thing. You will see how it's going to look like after I've melted it. Now this is the result. See how it looks like. Everything has melted. They all look like oil. So I'll allow the temperature to cool down a bit before putting the rest of the other ingredients. Let it cool down a bit. After it has cooled down very well, I'm going to add my coconut oil. At this point, the temperature is not very hot. It's hot but not very hot. So I've added my coconut oil 100 ml, added my almond oil 100 ml. You see, that's almond oil. You can use any oil of your choice, so it must not be this type of oil. Any oil that you know that is good for hair growth, put it inside. If you have shea butter is fantastic for hair growth. You can put shea butter inside. And this is my peppermint oil. You can use peppermint oil or menthol crystal. This is just to give the hair cream that cooling effect. You know that thing that makes the hair cream feel cool on the hair. I feel it's the person added ice. It's a menthol or peppermint, anyone. Now this is color. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it is oil soluble color. It has to be oil soluble. That color should be oil soluble. When you go to the chemical store, tell them they should give you oil soluble color, because everything in producing this hair cream is oil. So make sure that your color can dissolve in oil, so that you will not see color floating. If you use water soluble, your color will either dissolve or it will float. But if you use oil soluble color for this your hair cream production, the color is going to incorporate or mix properly with the oil, and the whole thing will pick the color of your your color. The oil will pick your color. If you use oil soluble color, the oil will pick your color. Then this is clove powder, making use of 1 tablespoon. Clove is also good for hair growth. You can use clove powder or chebe powder. You can choose to mix them together. You can choose to use cloves powder and chebe powder together. If you don't have chebe powder, use only cloves powder. If you don't have cloves powder, use chebe powder. But if you have the two, you can mix them together. Those 2 powders are very good for hair growth. So once I'm done adding my clove powder, I'm going to add my fragrance. After my fragrance, I'm going to start scooping this into their containers. So we are actually approaching the end of this video. You can use any fragrance of your choice. So any fragrance, any good sweet fragrance, put it inside. Just follow the measurement, 30 ml. So don't forget, I conduct online classes just in case you want to learn more on how to make stuff like the laundry bar soap. You want to learn stuff like the powder detergent, the body cream, the perfume, the bleach, the Dettol, all those fantastic things you can produce, or you can produce and sell and start up a business. If you want to learn more and become a pro, do it by chatting me on WhatsApp. I'm going to display a phone number here. Reach me on WhatsApp to join our online class. There you will learn how to make soap like a pro. A lot of people have challenges on how to produce tablet soap. They make a lot of mistakes. They have a lot of error, misconception. But in my online class, all those errors will be broken down. I will break down all those things that you usually think that is how they make soap. You will learn how to make soap properly. All those myths and legends, those things they will tell you that you should soak caustic soda for 1 week, soak it for 4 days, soak it for 1 month, soak it for 1 year before you use it to make your soap. Those things are lies. You will learn the true nature of caustic soda in my online class. All those things that people tell you about soap that it sounds confusing to you, they will be broken down in my online class. You will learn soap making properly. So if you want to join my online class, you simply check the description of this video. You'll find a link that you can simply click on to join through the link. If you have issues joining us through the link, you simply chat me on any of these phone numbers here displayed on the screen of this video. Just reach me on any of these phone numbers displayed on the screen of this video. Chat me on WhatsApp to join our training class. It's very simple to join our class. It's not hard. So this is our hair cream over here. After like let's say 30 minutes to 1 hour, it has hardened up, and this is the result. You can see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So we're actually coming to the end of this video, and also we have soap making equipment. If you need equipment for your soap, if you're a soap maker or you want to go into soap making and you need soap making equipment, my workshop will produce equipment for soap making. We produce them, so they are produced here in Nigeria, Nigerian made, and they are very good. So if you need soap equipment, I'm going to be displaying the equipment with a phone number. You can chat me on WhatsApp. We deliver our equipment nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our soap making equipment down to your location. This is one of it. You see how it looks like. This one produces long soap. So if you have another type, this is another type. This one gives you tablets of soap. We have variety. So just reach me on WhatsApp to purchase any of our soap equipment. We have soap stamps, soap groove makers, soap trimmers, soap cutters, and soap molds. Just chat me on WhatsApp to purchase. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and don't forget to follow me. Have a lovely day and see you guys next year. We will all enter next year. So happy new year in advance. Don't forget to join the class. Don't forget to share this video. And most importantly, please drop your like and your comment. Goodbye and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.